What is up, guys? It is Hayden Bradley. Welcome back. I'm here with professional water skier Robert Pigozzi, and we are going to give you a full rundown on the best shots to get with your Insta360 X4 when you're filming slalom skiing. Let's get to it.
Let's go.
Woo! All right, so for this first shot, we're going to do an establishing intro shot. So just give an audience a feel of what is about to occur. So Robert's going to walk down the dock right here with this ski, and I got the X4 in follow mode. So basically a single lens action camera, and we're going to shoot it in 2.7K 120. We got the mouth mount right here. We also can use the chest mount for this view, but typically we like to use the mouth mount. It's a little better perspective. It looks more as if it's your actual eyes looking and not a little lower behind the chin. So I'm gonna give this to Robert, and basically he's just gonna get ready and take you through his whole session. For this next shot, we got the rope mount. It's gonna look straight back at him as he's carving through the buoys to really see that spray getting shot behind. So for this next shot, we got the waist mount. It's just this strap that goes around the rider's waist with the pole attached to the back. And this is probably my favorite shot for filming water skiing. It's gonna give that little drone-like feel going through the whole course as a third-person view. So instead of seeing from the front or the side, it's gonna get the back and looking all the way down the course. All right, so for this next shot, we got the extended selfie stick right here with the X4 on it. We can extend this up to 3 meters long, and I'm just gonna stick it off the front of the boat. So if you don't have a drone, no problem. We are gonna get a drone shot with this right here. So this is what we like to call the no drone, no problem drive-by or carve-by. I'm gonna hop in the water right next to one of the buoys on the outside, about 10 to 15 feet out. And I got this long extension pole. You could also use the extended selfie stick by Insta360. I'm gonna stick it about 15 feet up in the air. And the goal is to look pretty much straight down as he's coming around the buoy. So it gives it that drone-like feel, and you just really get a whole glimpse of the spray coming up at the camera. Now I'm moving over to the inside of the buoy, and Robert is going to go around me. And I'm going to be about 6 to 7 feet from the buoy. So if he does end up coming short from the buoy, I'm still far enough away from him and his ski. So we got the camera in follow mode now, so it's gonna be more like a single lens action camera. The goal is to point it straight at the slalom skier as they're going around. So something that I really love about the Insta360 mobile app is that it's extremely fast and easy to edit on the go. Now we got the quick reader right here, the X4, so I'm just gonna take the SD card out of that, put it into this, and hook it up to my phone. You could also link this directly up to your phone, but I just prefer to use this. It speeds the process up a little bit, and the render times are a little quicker. So now that we have the app connected to the X4 or the quick reader, you'll just go into the Insta360 app, select the clip that you want to edit. So now that you're in the AI editing features, click Analyze, and it'll take a few moments to process your shot and choose exactly what looks best for you to play around with. And something that I really like about the AI editing feature is that there's a bunch of different movements for you to just plug in and drop on your shot. You can get super creative with it, and no extra keyframes are needed. So once you decide what looks exactly best for you, you'll just adjust that a little bit if you need to, and then you'll hit the check mark and then export, and then there you go, you're done. And as simple as that, matter of minutes, that is how you can achieve these results. Quick, easy, on the go. That is why I love the Insta360 mobile app. So now that we have all the angles that we need from today, let's see what it looks like when they're all put together. You can use them individually, but might as well make a full edit out of it, right? Let's go. And that pretty much sums it up for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something for the next time you go out to try to film some slalom skiing out on the water or even some other water sports. If you want to learn anything else, please comment that down below and I will answer you guys as well as I can. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.